Not a test, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that flow. The rain. No gimmicks here, ladies and gentlemen. We're running the downspouts and surface drains on a separate pipe going out to the front. We did not want to overwhelm the pump system, so we're running just the French drain to the pump. Look at that flow. That's all the water. I don't know if you can really see the flow coming out of there. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, no gimmicks here. Look at the other French drain next door. It's actually taking in water. You can see the flow. Look at that. Look at that speed. I know people are going to talk about that. This is all going to be graded to the French drain. That's just, we're going to resod. We're not done with the job. Look at all this water rushing. Look how fast that's going in there. I got to turn on this light. You guys got to see this. Look at that speed. Ash is raining. French drain man changed the game with his materials. No flooding still. And this is a heavy storm right now. We're in Oviedo. We're going to head down the road to check on another job that we did. I just want to show you guys that we're here to take care of you the right way. Look at the speed. I mean, wow. Clay soil, ladies and gentlemen. Clay soil. Not a shallow French drain. We go deep. This is going to be all sod, everything. I mean, you really got to be here to see the speed, the amount of water coming out of there. With no pop-up. Amazing. This yard used to flood. There's no gutters over here. So all that water runs down to the lowest point where we put the French drain. French drain man materials. My God, look at that flow. You're not getting that type of flow from MDS. And the pump sits on by itself. With the water out.